Sanibonani Nonto Ari onamashow kawu-2. 27 June, Wild Coast Sun, Port Edward, and 26 September, Big Top Arena, Carnival City, Comedy Meets Gospel. Nansi-ke indaba la ikhona. Kubalulekile ukuyazi imvelaphi yakho. New Testament laphana kuMatthew sitshelwa ngomlando kaJesu ukuthi wavela kubani, ubani wayezalwa ubani, ubani wayezalwa ubani, ubani. That is such an important thing to know as abantu abamnyama. Reason being, in our DNA, we carry back to 7 generations of moms and dad. Uma wakho nobaba wakho, generation 1. Uma wakhe nobaba wakho, generation 2. Uma wakhe nobaba, both sides. Isayidi lika mama nobaba, 7 generations back. Isayidi lika ma, 7 generations back. These are all genetic material that still exists today within my body. Manje ukubazi lawa bantu labo ke sine access yona, and that is why ama colonizer aqala nje lapho ukuthi hlukanise abazali nezingane zabo, because asikwazi ukuncela ulwazi oluzo unlocka ubuhlakani obungaphakathi emzimbeni yethu. Of late, I always look forward to having conversations with my dad because I get to learn about Umkhulu. Umkhulu passed away when my dad was still very young. Ubaba wayena 10 when his father passed away. But ubaba unokusho izinto ezingenza mina ngi-understand ukuthi, oh, this must be why I'm behaving this way. Uthi ubaba wami umkhulu wayenenhliziyo encane, wayelwa. And I found ukuthi mina I'm very restrained. Angithandi into elwisayo. I will avoid a fight. Kodwa mase kuthiwa ngiphoqelekile ukuthi ngingene kwi-fight, that is a story for another day. But ngiya-understand ukuthi why ngigwema izinto ey'ne-violence, because in my blood kune-history of violence. From inside lika-ma, I know ukuthi her great-grandfather wayeyizimtiti, and there was a music group ngasesayidini lika-ma, and there was just leaders. Nangakababa futhi I know ukuthi there were leaders because uMondlane, first black president of Mozambique, and again noma sibaningi, but I know ukuthi we come from that lineage. And so when I get information about these people, it says something in me, it activates something in me esuki dormant ukuthi ay man, wena vele gazini lakho khamba kanje. Even their weaknesses and history, yabona makuthiwa history repeats itself. Wonke amaphutha asekenzeka kwi-generation edlulile azophinda afike kuwena mawukuthi awazange azacorrecteke kulabo ababephila ngaleso sikhathi. But when you know ihistory yabo ukuthi oh ugogo sibani kwenzeka ukuthi kuyena, when uyakwazi ukuthi uyigweme lezo zinto lezo, and ngenkathi uyigwema, you are making life better for the next generation, because it means ukuthi your kids will no longer have to fight the same struggles when you were alive. So if you still have an opportunity to sit down with ogogo nomkhulu if they are still alive, and lezi zinto lezi zivela nje sometimes through just normal conversation. You were not even trying to find out anything, but ngekathi nithi ngiyaxoxa nje nabantu bakini kuvele ukuthi hayibo ngosuku olukuthi kwakwenza, hayibo umkhulu wakho wakwenza ukuthi, hayibo ugogo wakho, hayibo uma wakho, amanye amaphutha enziwa abazali bethu. Uma ngabe kuthiwa asiwaxoxe nabo, kungabe bikho inhlambuluko, azophinda kuvakashele nawe ushe. But if sonke sizovumelana nabazali bethu nalaba ogogo nomkhulu amangabe ukuthi basaphila, ukuthi sixoxe lezi indaba lezi ukuthi hayibo kwakunjani ngenkathi wena usakhula, what were the challenges, hayibo umkhulu sibani kwenzakalani, baqhathwa khona nje abanye nje abanobufebe nje abanegazi lobufebe, kanti cha Into lena khona igazi elibi elisuka ngale ngemuva. Mawuthiwa you are aware of leyo nto leyo, uzokwazi ukuthi uyigweme or even make an informed choice about it. Ukuthi do I want to be this person? No, I don't want to. Ukhethe indlela engcono for you. If khona waye angry, you can choose better. Khona waye njani, zonke izinto zine option, but okukusizayo is to be aware and be informed about your strengths and your weaknesses, so that you can then choose to live a better life, because that's the whole point of existing. It's to live a better life. We are an improvement of our ancestors.